Paychex. What are Paychex H&R Block rewards? How to use them? Paychex and H&R Block have partnered to offer a range of services that cater to both individual taxpayers and small businesses. Here's a detailed introduction to what they offer together. Paychex H&R Block Rewards. This collaboration provides various tax-related services, making it easier for individuals and businesses to manage their taxes efficiently. For individuals, file taxes with a tax pro, work with a tax professional either in person or virtually. This service is ideal for those with complex tax situations or who prefer expert assistance. File taxes on your own. Use H&R Block's online tools to file your taxes independently. This option is suitable for those with simpler tax returns and offers a self-paced, user-friendly experience. For small businesses, payroll services, Paychex offers comprehensive payroll solutions that integrate seamlessly with H&R Block's tax services. This ensures accurate and timely payroll processing, which is crucial for tax compliance. Tax preparation and filing. Small businesses can benefit from H&R Block's expertise in preparing and filing business taxes, ensuring all deductions and key features. Easy document upload. Upload tax documents from your phone, computer, or tablet, making the process convenient and efficient. Real-time assistance. Get help from live experts and AI Tax Assist at any step of your tax preparation. Secure and private. Both Paychex and H&R Block prioritize data security, ensuring your personal and financial information is protected. Special offers. Free month of Paychex services. H&R Block clients can try Paychex services free for a month, with no long-term commitments. This offer is designed to help businesses experience the benefits of Paychex's payroll and HR solutions. How to access these services? Visit the Paychex H&R Block rewards page, https://paychex.offers.hrblock.com, to explore the available services and offers. For more information or to get started, you can contact H&R Block directly at their dedicated number, 888-439-2569. This partnership aims to simplify tax and payroll management for both individuals and businesses, providing comprehensive support and expert guidance.